In this video I'll show you how to write a worded equation, so an equation that has words, not numbers. But the first thing we have to actually be able to do, so these are the rules for writing worded equations, is we have to be able to write down the number equation first. Before we change into worded equation, let's see if we can always write down the number equation first. Now in this case we've got pictures, so let's put those pictures into numbers. And then from there we can make it into worded equation. Right, so we have a packet of lollies plus 3 lollies equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's supposed to be 10 lollies. Now remember, first things first, let's put that into a number equation. Now this packet of lollies, we'll try by the end, we'll try to figure out how many lollies are in that packet. But the packet we don't know yet, so we can't give it a number. We can give it a pronumeral and unknown, right? So in this case, we'll packet, P for packet, so a packet of lollies plus 1, 2, 3 lollies equals, and we mentioned earlier how much they have to equal to, 10. So this is the first step done. That's your number equation written down. Now let's change that number equation into words. Now first things first, let's see what we have to next. So we have to use the correct terminology to figure out what we're going to call this operation. So we're going to put down the correct terminology for the operation. In this case, the operation is plus. So there's different words we can use. We could use the word sum, plus, add, and even the word and. Right? So all of these are quite easy to use if we have the operation of plus. Now next step is we need to make sure when we write this down, so this equal sign in the middle of that equation is replaced with the words equal to. Right? So this is going to be replaced with the words equal to. Now obviously what could we replace the word P for? Remember, P just stands for packet, so we can just say, well, this will be a packet, right? Because we've got one packet and we're trying to find out how much or how many lollies could be in that packet. So instead of writing P, we can just write a packet. So now we should have enough to put that number equation into words, right? So we'll start with a packet, because we have one packet, so a packet. We could say a packet plus 3 lollies, or we could even say a packet and 3 lollies, because remember, and is another word for plus. So a packet and 3 lollies. Right? Just putting this into, I can use the word, the written word 3. Right? So I'm just writing down 3 as in the word 3, and 3 lollies. And then remember, we instead of the equal sign, we just say equals to, and what is equal to? 10. That's done. We've already written our first word equation from a number equation. Now, next part we'll do is, well, if I have this written down, so a packet and 3 lollies equals to 10, well, I can ask you, find out how many lollies are in their packet, and that's going to be for the next video. But that's what we have to do for writing equations. Let's put down the number equation first. That's always the first thing we have to do. Then figure out for the operation we have, in this case plus, what kind of terminology can we use. So we could use sum, plus, add, or and. And then let's, instead of writing an equal sign, let's write equal to instead for our word equation. And then let's put that into words.